Welcome back to Xplorer, where we uncover the latest in mobile technology. Today, we're excited to dive into the features of the newly launched Oppo K12 Plus. With impressive specs for a mid-range smartphone, could this be the perfect device for you? Let's find out. The Oppo K12 Plus boasts a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. This means you'll enjoy crisp, vibrant colors and super smooth scrolling whether you're browsing or gaming. With narrow bezels and a centered hole-punch camera, the design is sleek and modern. Powering this device is the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring excellent performance for multitasking and gaming. With options for 8GB or 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage, you can expect seamless operation and ample space for your apps, photos, and videos. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the camera setup on the K12 Plus. The main camera features a 50MP sensor alongside an 8MP ultrawide lens, allowing for stunning landscapes and detailed shots. For selfies, the 16MP front camera ensures you capture every moment in style, making it perfect for social media. When it comes to battery life, the 6400 mAh battery is a standout feature. This enormous battery is designed to keep you going all day without the need for frequent recharging. And when you do need to charge, the 80W fast charging ensures you get back to full power quickly, so you can spend less time tethered to a wall. The K12 Plus runs on Android 14, led with Oppo's user-friendly ColorOS 14. With features like an under-display fingerprint sensor and IP54 certification for dust and water resistance, the K12 Plus is built for everyday use, providing both convenience and durability. The Oppo K12 Plus is set to be available soon, with a competitive price point aimed at delivering excellent value in the mid-range segment. Expected to hit the Chinese market first, with a potential rollout to other regions later on. With its impressive specs, stylish design, and competitive pricing, the Oppo K12 Plus could be a strong contender for anyone looking for a powerful mid-range smartphone. What features are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below.